Good morning students, I am Anna, your chemistry teacher. Today we are going to study about the properties of matter. I hope you all know that there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. And you know the basics about the solid, liquid and gas. Today we discussing about some of the properties of solid and liquid. For that, first we take solids. You know what is solids, right? Can you give some examples for solids? Chair, pen, pencil, toys, etc. are some examples of solids. Here I have some objects. These all are solid objects, right? So here we are checking the first property for solid, that is fixed shape. You know that these all are shapes, which is a circle, a cone and a sphere. So you can clearly say that solids have a fixed shape. So it is S. They have a fixed shape. The next property is fixed volume. When I take this circle and when I place the circle in a table, it occupies a space. Okay. Then when I place the same circle in my hand, it occupies the same volume which is occupied in the table. So the volume is not changed. We can change the volume of a solid. It occupies the same volume wherever we put the solid. So the volume is also fixed. S. For solids, it has a fixed volume. The next one is compressibility. When I try to compress this cone, I can't do that because this is a solid and it has a fixed shape. So it is incompressible. So compressibility is no. Solids are not incompressible, not compressible. The next one is rigid or fluid. Clearly we can say that this is rigid because fluid means the object which is flowing. That is called fluids. The solids are not flowing. This has a fixed shape. So this is rigid. So solid is rigid in shape. Next one is liquid. Here I have a glass of water. So first we checking the fixed shape of liquids. The liquid means, can you give some examples for liquids? Milk, water, juice, etc. are some examples for liquids. So we are checking liquid have a fixed shape or not. If I pour this water into a bottle, the shape will change. The liquid's shape will change and it occupies the shape which it contains. And when I again pour this water into a bowl, the shape will again change. So for liquids, the shape is not fixed. The liquids occupy the container which we put in. So the shape is not fixed. Next one is fixed volume. Here I have this ml of water. When I pour the whole water into a bottle, the volume is not changed because I pour the whole water into a bottle, right? So it has a fixed volume. It has not a fixed shape, but it has a fixed volume. And the next one is compressibility. Liquid are incompressible because we can't compress the liquids because it is flowing, right? Liquids are incompressible. Compressibility is no. The next property is rigid or fluid. I already said that fluid means the object which is flowing. We know that the liquids are a flowing type of object. So this is not rigid. This is fluid. These are the properties of solids and liquids. Once again, I will say that for solids, it has a fixed shape, but for liquids, the shape will change. This shape will change for liquids, so it has not a fixed shape. For solids, it has a fixed volume. We can't change the volume of a solid and liquid. The liquid also have a fixed volume. And the next one is compressibility. For solids, it is incompressible. It is not compressible because I can't change the shape of a solids. So it is incompressible. And for liquid also, it is incompressible. So it is not compressible. And the last property is rigid or fluid. Solid is rigid because it is not flowing. It has a permanent shape. It is not fluid. So it is rigid. Next one is liquid. Liquid, it is fluid because the liquid will flow. So it is a fluid. So I hope all of you are clear with this topic. Thank you.